In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily make a YouTube banner here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this incredibly easy to do because of their templates. So once you're signed into Canva, you want to come here to the left-hand side where it says templates. We can also just use this search bar here as well, but we're going to come over to templates. Then from here, we want to come to the search bar and type in YouTube banner and click enter. Now, as you can see, there's hundreds, well, thousands actually, if we look just here, 5,186 of these YouTube banner templates that we can use, modify, and make our own. Now, to use these, all we have to do is click on one of them. But first, as you can see, some of them have this little crown, which means that they are pro templates. So unless you have a Canva Pro subscription, you're not going to be able to use these. But if we take a look here and here and here, there's actually loads which you can use completely for free. Now, if we click on one of these, you're going to get all related templates to this template underneath as well. So if you find a different one that you like, you can easily click on that. But once you've got one which you want to use, you simply want to click on customize this design. And now it's opened in a brand new tab. Now from here, there is one little thing which I highly suggest doing, and that's coming over to Google and searching YouTube banner template. Then you want to use one of these. Now these is really going to help you keep all of your design in the safe area. So if we go ahead and save this image and come back over to Canva, take that image and upload it into your upload section, we can then click on that, put it onto the page like this, and then we can make sure that everything is lined up. So this template is actually a little bit blurry, so you might want to use a different one. But if we look, we can see all the way to here is for desktop, then there's tablets and mobile as well. So right here, in this little red area, is the safe zone. So whatever you put here, you want to make sure that it is in these safe zones. Now let's take this off because all of this is completely customizable. This, actually, we can change the colors. So if we come onto there and change that to blue, we can do that. We can change the name to anything that we want, and we can change all of the fonts as well, because everything about this template is completely customizable. So if you're trying to create a YouTube banner for your channel, come and try out the Canva templates because they have thousands and thousands that you can use for your own channel. So that's just how easy it is to create a YouTube banner here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.